Okay, we did the approach mode, and then we can check the jet rate like this. We can change the scan rate like this. At the time, you have to you don't have to move anywhere, because the already the adjust the distance, so you don't have to move the tip. If you want to move the tip, you have to push this one first, lift to 100 micrometer. Push this one, so the tip go up side, lift is a 100 micrometer. Now you can move. Sometimes you worry about some collision. Okay, more push, okay, and then you can move this side, and then you can approach mode. Okay, like this.
So then again it starts to focus.
Uh-huh. After you focus on the approach mode, so you can get some signal right side. So backward signal will be same as I told you about that. So if you can control mod very highly resolution, you can change the scan rate and then set point also the change. But some sample need very optimization scan rate. Low scan rate, that's not totally solution. I mean depend on sample roughness. So some sample need to high scan rate. I mean so you have to check the change the condition, scan rate condition like this, and then you can check the trace quality like this. Okay, trace quality change the high, right? I did change the more low scan rate. If I change the more low like this, maybe it will be trace quality more high. You can check trace quality from the one side scan rate. Here side to here side to here. You can check the trace quality. Oh, now it's 96%. It's very good trace.